Welcome back, superstars! Let's look at a super fun and easy way to learn your 7 times table using a simple tic-tac-toe trick. By the end of this video, you'll have the 7 times table memorized with ease and confidence. Let's jump right in. The first thing we need is a grid. Think of a regular tic-tac-toe board with 9 squares. Are you with me? This is what we'll use for our fun trick. Start at the top rightmost column, and going from top to bottom, write 1, 2, and 3. In the second column, go from top to bottom and write 4, 5, and 6. And in the last column, write 7, 8, and 9 the same way. Finally, write a 0 outside of the grid. Does that make sense so far? Next, we'll write the tens digits. This time, we start from the top row and go left to right. In the first row, we write the numbers 0, 1, and 2 in front of the numbers 7, 4, and 1 in sequential order, like this. In the second row, we write the numbers 2, 3, and 4 in front of the numbers 8, 5, and 2 in sequential order, like this. In the third row, we write the numbers 4, 5, and 6 in front of 9, 6, and 3 in a similar way. Finally, write a 7 in front of the 0 outside the grid. And just like that, it's done. From 7 times 1 to 7 times 10, you've now completed the entire 7 times table. Here's how it works. 7 times 1 equals 7. 7 times 2 equals 14. 7 times 3 equals 21. 7 times 4 equals 28. 7 times 5 equals 35. 7 times 6 equals 42. 7 times 7 equals 49. 7 times 8 equals 56. 7 times 9 equals 63. 7 times 10 equals 70. Let's see if it really works. What's 7 times 4? Look at the grid. It's 28. What's 7 times 9? It's 63. What's 7 times 6? It's 42. What's 5 times 7? It's 35. Remember, 5 times 7 is the same as 7 times 5. Let's do a quick review. Write the numbers 1 to 9 in the boxes, just like this. Write a 0 outside the grid. Now write 0, 1, and 2 in front of the numbers in row 1, like this. Write the numbers 2, 3, and 4 in front of the numbers in row 2, like this. Write the numbers 4, 5, and 6 in front of the numbers in row 3, like this. Finally, place a 7 in front of the 0 outside the grid. As easy as that, you've got your 7 times table right in front of you. And that wraps it up. You've now got a super easy way to learn the 7 times table using this tic-tac-toe trick. Don't forget to practice, and you'll become a pro in no time. Like, share, and subscribe for more fun math tricks. Thanks for watching.